Chase Sapphire Reserve pricing explained what you get for your money. The Chase Sapphire Reserve is one of the top-tier travel rewards credit cards, but many people hesitate because of its annual fee. Most people get this wrong. They assume the fee outweighs the benefits. The surprising truth is that if you use the perks strategically, the card can easily pay for itself in value. Cardholders earn Axe points on travel and dining and Axe on all other purchases. You won't believe how fast points can accumulate, especially when redeemed through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, where points are worth 50% more for travel. That means 100 0 points are actually worth 500 in travel bookings. The card also offers an annual travel credit that automatically offsets travel-related charges, which effectively reduces the annual fee too. Add perks like Priority Pass, Airport Lounge Access, Global Entry or TS, separate jet fee reimbursement, trip cancellation interruption insurance, and primary rental car coverage, and the value becomes substantial for frequent travellers. For new cardholders, there's a welcome bonus of 60 0 points after spending 0 in the first 3 months, which is equivalent to in travel through Ultimate Rewards. The card also provides purchase protection, extended warranty, and travel emergency assistance, all of which make it much more than just a points card. In conclusion, while the Chase Sapphire Reserve's annual fee may seem high at first, the combination of points, travel credits, lounge access, and premium protections can deliver immense value. If you travel frequently and maximize the rewards, this card transforms your spending into powerful travel experiences, effectively making the annual fee a worthwhile investment.